In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach a signature in WPS Office. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top and click on the Insert tab. And from here, over here on the right, it says Sign. So you want to click on that, and then you want to click on Create Signature. Now, you have three options. You could either input it. So, for example, like this, if I type in Instant How To, this could be the signature. And top right, you could go and select your font as well. There's a bunch of different ones. Click on the one you prefer. There we go. And then you can go and press OK, and that's it. You could also upload an image. So of course, an image of your signature. For example, if you, let's say, just wrote down a signature on a piece of paper, took a picture of that, and you have that, and you want to use this to attach as a signature to your document, you could use that too, or you could handwrite it over here as well. So for example, you can of course select the thickness. I'm going to do 2 points, and I'm going to type in my username. So for example, instant, there we go. Let's say that's it. I'm going to click OK, and then you'll be able to of course place this wherever you want. So let me actually show you. If you go to Insert, Sign over here, I now have my signature. If I click on it, I can go and insert it anywhere I want. As you can see here, it got inserted at the bottom, and I can move it around. I can resize it if I want to, etc. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.